Here's a piece of direct mail from a grocery store brand. This is going to be customized and sent to millions of shoppers across the country. And here's how it's made in GraFx Studio. We created this design in GraFx Studio, but you can also import it from InDesign or Photoshop. This is going to be super easy and super quick. Let's cut to the chase. We're going to customize it for shoppers, so let's identify what variations we can set up. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of objects on it. Let's go with the contact info. We've set up variables for the customer's name and address, and we also did that for the store's address. Let's look at the design. We connected our cutout to a DAM folder so we would target different demographics, and we set up color variations so that we could match it with things like product categories and sales events. Last, we set up variables for our offer, namely the value of the coupon, the minimum spending required, the valid through date, and the QR code to access it. Alright, so here it is. We connected it to a data source and we could produce millions of customized pieces of direct mail. Thanks for watching. Click the link in the description to try GraFx Studio today.